this is how you do it. First, I already opened this. Now you need to open this again. There. So now, see all of it. And then you got a makeup brush and these brushes. And this is the lip gloss, and this is the purple eye mascara. So, and next you get another makeup. See if you can get that. So you open this up, and then there's more colors than that. It got brush, and it got a mirror too. Now I'm going to show you my Jelly Belly lip gloss. So you can, now I'm going to show you how to put it on. First you get the blush right here. You take it out there, and then you put this on here. See it? So you put it here. There. Now get your, open this up again to find the mirror. So, and then you put it on. Get more. And then you get the lip balm, lip gloss. Then you get them. And then you put it on. Next, you close this. And then use this lip balm belly. And you put it on, just like so. Then you close it. Next, you use a brush. Open this. Next, you get this white, and then you put it on your eye. And then you get more. And then put it on your left eye. Okay. Next, now you use this brush. And then use these colors now. You need pink. And you put it on your, this. Get more. And then